Today we're going to review how to fix patchy lawn work. So I'm going to go to a B-roll of what my lawn looks like right now, but you can see that there are so many patches and holes. The first step that we did was add some topsoil, and now we're going to go in and seed on it. And I'm going to give you guys some tips and tricks to make sure that you guys are seeding your lawn in the best way. I'm Danielle from the Split Arrow Farm, and welcome to our channel where we're sharing everything that's happening on our homestead to teach you guys how to make your own homestead and to really learn and grow from home. But without further ado, let's get out into the lawn. Before you even think about adding seed, you'll want to make sure that you are prepping the soil. We used a topsoil that was filtered, so all I'm doing right now is just going over with a rake to make sure that I'm breaking up any clumps and the soil is nice and ready to add the seed to, and it will really adhere and stick onto it. First step to grass seeding your lawn is getting the right type of seed. Now, I'm using a sunny and shade mix, but if you have a primarily sunny or a primarily shady area, then you're going to want to choose accordingly, and that's probably going to be one of the most important aspects when choosing your seed. So really make sure to scan your lawn and think about how much sun you get in a typical day, and that's going to help you determine which seed is the best seed for your lawn. Now we're going to grab some of the tools, and there's a few different ways that you can actually seed your lawn. First up, the cheapest and free option is going to be using your hands, and this is going to be just grabbing the seed out and sprinkling it on your lawn, which is great if you have just a few spots that you need to fill. But if you're looking for a little more coverage, then there are two other great options. One is going to be a hand grass seeder. One second, let me grab mine. Here is ours. I really love this. It actually is battery powered, so you can just choose your settings on the front, load your seed in, and then press the button and it will do it for you. Or there is a hand crank version. Depending on how much money you want to spend, that will kind of guide you on what you're going to be choosing. And then the more deluxe version of what you would be doing, the push carts, which I'll add a picture right here. These are a little bit more pricey, but if you are looking to be seeding or fertilizing your lawn more often, then this is going to be a great option for you. But I'm going to go ahead and load my hand machine. At the back of the bag, it is going to have the settings. If your lawn really needs a lot of extra care and love, then you're going to want to use one of the higher settings. If it doesn't need as much love and care, then you go into one of the lower settings, and then we're going to go out and spread our seed. If this is my dirt and I kind of just put it all down here, this would be overseeding, and the issue here is this seed is actually going to be fighting for the light and nutrition that it needs. So what you really want to do is make sure that it is spread out. So if there is a patch that does get overseeded, you can kind of just leave it like that. Otherwise, your machine is going to be doing most of the work for you. So you can see here, it spits it out, and when you look down, the grass seed is evenly on the ground and it is coated in green, so you can see what it looks like. The final and most important part of reseeding your lawn is going to be adding water. So I'm going to go ahead and freshly water everything, but you might want to set up some sprinklers or a watering source so that you can actually be watering your grass at all times throughout the process. You want to make sure that you do not allow the seed to dry, because this is going to make it harder to grow. And keep in mind that each seed grows at a different speed, so you're going to want to refer to the back of the bag to see how long your grass is going to take to grow. Some can grow in a week and some can grow in up to 21 days, so you're going to want to review that. To finish off, you can top with straw or mulch to make sure that the seeds don't blow away if you live in a windy area. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I know that I am so tired and need to go grab a water, but if you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe as we come out with new content every Wednesday and Sunday, and we can't wait to see you again next time. Bye.